morning and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making some Christmas tags to go in my Christmas in July journal that I'm making. I'm not sure if it'll be out by now or it will come out after this. I'm not too sure. I'm using glitter, as you can see. I'm also using from the Graphics Fairy these are Altoid tin lids. So I'm using some of these pieces and some pages that I've shrunk down, and some of these I've also printed to a page. So I'm using some of them. I've also got some 2-inch circles here, roughly all of angels. I have some of these baubles, background baubles. There are these as well that I'm going to turn into tags. These are the music front sheets about angels, and then I have some fussy cuts here from the angels, and I'm not sure which angels kit they all come from on the Graphics Fairy premium website, and I printed some fussy cuts out. So to start off with, I'll start with a straightforward bauble, one of these. And I'm going to just put this on, but I'm not putting glitter around this. I'm just going to ink it with walnut stain. And this one will be quite straightforward. I say that every time, don't I? Right, that's the gold. I'm using some gold fine glitter. And this is some cardboard and some art glitter glue. And all you do is you put the glue into a ridge in the cardboard, in the corrugated cardboard. Now, obviously with a bauble, slightly harder to get round. And then put some glitter in this one, in this piece of corrugated cardboard, and then just go round the edge like that, if you can see that. I'll carry on and do the rest of the bauble. Now to do, oops, I'm not too worried if I get it everywhere, which is what I seem to be doing. To do the top, just going to go around like this with a thin piece of glue. Take what I've got left on here, there, so it's glittered up like that, and then I need to let that dry. Now I have another bauble here with an angel, so I need to do this one as well. Now with this one, I want to put a bit of glue and glitter around the wings like this, and I'll just get this teaspoon and use what I've got in here. You can see it like that. And then I'll do the same on this side here. Ooh. Got an air bubble. There, on both her wings, so that needs to dry as well. Now I have something quite straightforward one here, and I'm going to punch here. Got quite a large, this again is one of those Altoid tin covers. and I'm going to go round the edge of this one as well. So there's that one glittered. I need to let that dry. And then I've also got this little man. I'll just go around the edges there. And I'm going to do a similar thing here with the glue. Just go around. Oops, it's a bit fat. Fat bit of glue. There we go. And I need to let that one dry as well. Oh. Okay. I'll be back once all of that is dry. Okay, while those baubles and cards are drying, I'm also going to cut this out as a tag or journal card. I'm not sure yet. I might put a hole in the top. I'm not sure. And I need to do this one and then punch some decorative corners on it. So this one I'm going to cut out. Both these out, and I've glittered, but I haven't glittered the corners there. I've decided to leave it. I quite like it like that. And for each of these I've got this one to go on here and this one to go on there. And again, I'm going to take my art glitter glue and glue round the edges, or actually cover, maybe even cover some of them, I'm thinking. Yeah, I like that. Leave that one there. And this one, again, I will, I think, I'm going to go all the way around the bottom, but only a little way along the top. There, I've made that a little bit thicker. I don't know if you can see around the edge, I had some gaps there, and that one is going to go on there. So again, I need to let all of these dry. So I have this one, and for this, I'm just going to just glue it straight on into here. Oops. I was thinking I could have put a bit of gold glitter on there, on the star on her head, but I've done it now and put it all away. It's that one. Then this one is just going to be glued onto here. Oops. I haven't asked in a few videos if you're all well. I hope you are. It's still hot. Don't think it's going to stop anytime soon. There we go, there's that one. Then this one I'm just going to glue on in the middle here. Like that. And I may, when I come to use it, put a hole in there. I don't know. I forgot this one I am putting a hole in. Actually, I'll wait till I've done the other one. Then I have this one here, which I'm going to raise up slightly. So I'm putting some double-sided tape down here and a small piece here. Oops. I don't know if you can see any of that, sorry. And I am going to put a bit of extra glue on the tape as well here. So it goes like that. Yep, it's okay, it's hidden. It's that one. Then I have this one, and I'm putting a small amount of tape sort of in the middle there. And then I'm going to cut a couple of thin bits for there, and then just along the top as well. There. And again, I will use my glue to make sure it stays down. Oops. Right. I think that's such a cute one. I like this one. I need to say also thank you. I've had so many extra subscribers recently. I'm really pleased. I want to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed. It's really helped my channel. Not that I was particularly doing it for that. I was doing it because I just enjoy it. There we go. I like that. I've got glitter everywhere now. And this one I need to put a hole in. And this one. Away. And also I just need to put some, I think I've got some scraps, as you know. Ooh. There we go. So these are my Christmas tags for my new Christmas journal coming out for Christmas in July. I hope you've enjoyed that, and thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and the notification bell. Thanks a lot. Bye.